Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how can create presentation using Prezi, basic tutorial. And I will be focusing a topic which is the Information and Communication Technology or ICT. Let's jump into the milestone and let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is to type prezi.com. And in the top right corner of this homepage, you can see this Get Started button and click this. Okay, so as you can see, it contains several options, but let's go to the basic and choose the free trial option here. And now, you can create an account here. Once you are done logging in, you can start making presentation. So you'll see a variety of templates here, but let's go to the educational and non-profit templates. Okay, so I choose this open book templates, and the first thing it asks you for is a title. So go ahead and do that. For our demonstration, our title is Usage of ICT in Our Daily Life. And then it says who can see this presentation, and I'm going to choose anyone on the web can see this. I am going to show you what is the inside look of this template. Okay, so let's start. The first thing you're going to do is to start with the introduction of your topic. So go ahead and type your text and place it to the upper part. Second is, in the upper left corner, click the subtopic. Then after that, you can add picture if you want, but this time, I am going to use picture for this. And now, you can create a text inside of the circle. So after that, you can copy the first step to another subtopic. And take note, you can make as many as you want subtopic. And for the introduction, I am going to make 3 subtopics for this section. After you finish all the subtopics, you can put an animation of how you want it to be. Now, I already finished the introduction part, so I am going to show you the final presentation in the introduction part. So, let's go on to our main topic, which is the usage of ICT in our daily life. So, the first is education. Just simply type the title in the text box and its description in the text box too, and finally, you can put the animation on it. Now, you can make again a subtopic of this on the other page, and for this demonstration, I am going to use again a picture for each subtopic. And now, you can copy the step you do in your first subtopic on the other subtopic. I already finished the education sector, so take a look of this. So let's go on to the second, which is the banking. For this section, I will just copy the step I do in the first section, which is in the education section, here in the banking section. So after I put the title and its description, I can now able to put the subtopics of this section. I've said, I will just copy the step what I do in the first section on this section. Okay, so I've finished the banking section, so take a look of this. So now, I already finished the 3 section, which is the education, banking, and the industry. So this is my final presentation, which is about the usage of the ICT in our daily life. That's all for today. And what I've said earlier, this is just a basic tutorial of how to make presentation using Prezi. This is just your first step to start making an awesome presentation. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video and get some information in this video. Bye!